Hey, Diesel. You getting your bath? You getting your shower? Yeah, you got the whole shower soaking wet, the whole bathroom. Got the shower curtain open for you. Having fun? That wings fan. Hi. Want to talk to us? I saw he was in there making a mess with his water bowl, playing around in it, so that's usually his sign that he wants a bath, and sure enough, it took him about 30 seconds to start playing. So, all right. Y'all have a wonderful Saturday. Put the shower curtain to try to hold some of the water in. I done got the towel down. Let's check on him. Hi. You having fun? Hi. You having fun? I know, it's not my shower, is it? I have a rain head that can fall down on you. You're like, wait. You moved from the other side. You can't even under the water now. There you go. There you go. You are making a mess. I'm glad I hadn't had my shower yet. There you go. I feel good? You'll get back on the other side, it'll be better. Here. I'm trying to do it one-handed, Daisy. You gotta help me out here. Okay, come back to this other side over here. Here, come here. Come back over here. Come back over here. There. There, now you can get under the water better. There. Is that better? Kind of like a rain head with my hand. Ooh, you are soaking me. You like that? Ooh. Need this to hold me, across me, keep all the water in. It don't take long to clean up the water afterwards. Let's have a good time. Alright, I'm going to let y'all go. I just wanted y'all to see him enjoy his shower. Now he's grabbing my... What are you doing? Let go. You're going to put holes all in it. Stop. Don't put holes in my shower curtain. Little turkey. Hey, did you enjoy your shower? Say hello. You gonna dance for us? You gonna dance for us? Hello. No, quit. Quit. We are not doing... If I ever have a shower curtain without a hole, it'll be a surprise. He loves to grab them and make a hole. Ain't that right? Yes, you do. All right. Did you enjoy your bath?